SOFI update here on the 7th. So this will be a pretty quick update because it's pretty much gone as expected from the last video. We bottomed here on the 2nd. We went straight up here to 1560 right into this supply zone. I can actually remove that. We filled this gap. And so now I think we're just in a second wave. I do think that the market is likely to go lower though. And if the market's about to go lower, then we probably will see lower than this. This is likely an A wave right here. We're probably going to see something like this and then come back down here. Potentially all the way down here to 1417 could happen. All the way down to 1417 could happen. Leave some money available to buy the dip if you want to buy more shares. I think that we're probably going to see that far down, but that again, that's going to be wave 2. So if that's wave 2, then we'd be looking for wave 3 all the way up here to minimum 1680. I know it's a little bit shorter than expected, but honestly, fifth wave only has to break the high, so it only has to break 1722. So based on this being the first wave, the minimum target would be up here at the minimum target I'm looking for would be 18 bucks. So that's your minimum target right there. So I know in the last video I think I said 19 bucks. Based on this first wave, 18 bucks is the target. But that's the minimum target. That's the absolute minimum target I see. Again, the main target is still up here at 22 bucks. So this could work out so many different ways. It's going to be a 5-wave move as long as it holds the lows. You could see something like this. Let's see. 3rd wave, 4th wave, then you could get something like this. Kind of messed that up a little bit. But anyway, you could get 9 waves up here, all the way to 22 bucks. It could be an extension. There's a lot of different ways it could play out. I'm just saying that the minimum target based on this first wave is 18 bucks. So we are going to make new highs here in the next month. And right now we're just in that second wave. So look for more than likely look for a bounce tomorrow morning. And then look for more downside probably into Thursday or Friday, maybe sooner. And then buy the dip. And if you really want to be technical about it, if you don't want to invest in this, you're trying to trade it, you're going to want to have a stop below 1375. That would be the invalidation level right here. If it goes below that, then it invalidates the move higher, and then we have to reevaluate. So right now, everything looks perfect, exactly as drawn up. If you look at the 50 and the 20 on the daily time frame, that's really where I want to see it hold, though, 1445. Even if it comes down here intraday, I want to see it finish above 1445 to signify that the second wave is likely ended, because, again, a second wave usually retraces to the 0.5 to the 0.78 fib, so 1418 to 1471. So yeah, get ready for a little bit lower, more than likely in the next day or two, and then higher prices from there. The biggest move yet for this final wave should be coming. So we should be seeing a big move higher within the next week or two, I would say. So I would imagine that into earnings we are up in this area based on what I see. I would imagine we're at least at like 18 bucks by earnings. So that's pretty much it for this video. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates. I will make a video tomorrow and the next day. And let's see how this second wave plays out. Get ready to buy the dip down here between 1470 and like 1420-ish.